Why should SAP consultants share more their knowledge? Hi, everyone. My name is Milos, SAP Logistics Solution Architect for CoreTrust. And today I want to tackle a very common topic and known behavior of some of the people in the consulting world, which is hey, I know my stuff, I know how it works, that's my value. I should not share with anyone, I won't tell anyone how it works. So I keep my value, I keep my knowledge. Uh, well, logically kind of makes sense, but actually in reality, I fully disagree. And it's personally not my approach in the consulting world. And there's three big reasons why I actually believe that as a consultant, you have so much more to have to get by sharing your knowledge rather than trying to keep everything for yourself. So, reason number one, and I came across this very early in my career. So, what happened is that, of course, when you're starting, you don't know much, right? There's so much you need to learn. And let's say I learn a topic A, so I know A and I can do A. I don't know. It could be physical inventory in EWM, but it could be really any topic. So take your topic A, whatever you do know, you studied and you know well. And what I did is I basically shared. I didn't keep it for myself. On the contrary, shared it with other people. So anyone I would meet, if they had some questions or anything, or it was about the topic A, I would share it. So what happened is that I met one person, I shared topic A, and in return for the so-called reciprocity, they felt like, hey, let me share something as well, and they share B with me. I say, great, awesome. And when I meet another person, I share again A, and they share C. And then another person, I share A, and they share D. And by the end of my sharing, I kind of know the alphabet, and it's all because I was just willing to share. So the first discovery I did early in my career is that by sharing, actually, you get to learn so much more, and you become richer in knowledge, not poorer. That's the first reason, big reason why you should share. The second reason I would say is networking. So if people see that you're not willing to share, you keep your knowledge for yourself, they will tend to socialize a little bit less with you. They will tend to think that you want to keep stuff for yourself, that you don't want many friends. And the reality is that I found the best friends in the greatest conversations where we were actually teaching uh, topics to each other, we were discussing, and there was a lot of sharing. So those are great moments to do some great networks. And actually, in the long run, your network is going to be as important, if not more important, to your growth and development than just simply the things you know. All right. So that's the second big reason to share. And the third big reason I believe is growth. So, what I feel is even though it's true, I'm sharing my knowledge, so it's not potentially as valuable, especially if I share it with everyone, right? So, something I know today in some period of time won't be as valuable. It kind of pushes me to grow. So, my personal mindset is I'm going to share everything I know today with everyone or as many people as want it, whatever I can do to be helpful. And then what I need to do is by tomorrow, I need to step up and know something more, something else, be on the edge, learn new things. So I need to push myself to be always growing and learning more. So I think by sharing, by adopting a mindset of sharing, you also have to adopt a mindset of growing and pushing yourself to know new topics every single day because you need to stay relevant, you need to stay competent. So how do you do that? Well, you need to keep learning basically. That's how you do it. So once again, yeah, one, you get a lot more knowledge than what you give out because people teach you new stuff. Two, you get to network, you get to meet people, and that network can be your net worth in the future, and it's extremely valuable. And three, it kind of mentally pushes yourself if you shared many things you know to learn new things and really grow. I hope you found this useful. Let me know what you think. Are you one of those consultants who never share anything? Or are you one of those consultants who actually share a lot of what they know and think it's good? Let me know your thoughts. Very happy to hear from you in the comments, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, everyone. Have a great evening.